Hey, Eric Sider here, and I got a pretty big update. I left the project I was working on in the Sierra Nevada foothills. No big deal there, just difference of priorities, really. The good news is I'm gonna have more time to spend ramping up things here in Sacramento and putting out some more videos. So, got a number of things I'm excited about, so let's check them out. All right, the thing I'm most excited about is adding chickens, and I'm going to be doing the urban chicken tractor on steroids, which is about 10 to 12 birds, and that's going to go in this area. You can see I already got the compost cage started, so we can process the food scraps. So I'm going to get this tree's going to be going. It doesn't produce anything tasty anyway, and it's done its job of shading this fig tree for 2 summers. But I'm gonna be putting in a pen and a coop, and yeah, it's gonna be pretty awesome. Excited about that. One other project is all these annoying rocks are gonna be going to the front yard. We're gonna be doing a cool little succulent garden out there. We're gonna convert this little shed into a little off-grid studio. And then, of course, just getting the garden ramped up. And yeah, very excited. Everything's looking good. Adding in some flowers, some support species. So, all right, lots of cool projects coming. I'm really excited to get back into it. Want some cool permaculture shirts? The link will be down below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.